Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or deactivate your account on the Bitfinex Crypto Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitfinex application on your smartphone, and after logging in, you will end up within the homepage. From here, in order to delete or deactivate your account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Account from this page. And then within your account information, you can either tap on your email address or your username. This will then open up your account details page. Now at the very bottom, you will see the status option where you can find the deactivate button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be provided the warning, which gives you the information about your deactivation process. If you proceed with deactivation, you will receive a confirmation email. Once you confirm through this email, the account will be deleted. So check your inbox and you will find this link. Just follow through with the verification for your email and your account will successfully be deactivated. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to deactivate or delete your account on the Bitfinex Crypto Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.